Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Aiman Faisal from grade 6th A and welcome back to my channel. I am really thankful and I'm really happy today because you all helped me reaching 1000 subscribers, and I'm really thankful for all the love and support you gave and the affection on my YouTube channel. I have uploaded many videos and you all have given good comments and also liked my videos, and I'm so happy for that, and I really want to thank you. And in this video I have taken two subjects, grammar and maths. In maths I will describe linear equation of one variable as well as the rules of active passive sentences, and I really hope you all will like it. Actually, I my dream was 1000 subscribers and it fulfilled just because of you all. I'm so happy, can't even imagine. Once again, I'm thanking you all for your support and love, and I wish you could subscribe if you haven't. दोस्तों, मैं आप सबको अपने दिल से थैंक यू बोलना चाहती हूँ क्योंकि आप लोगों ने मेरी बहुत बहुत हेल्प की है 1000 सब्सक्राइबर्स तक पहुँचने में। और और मैं आपको एक और बार कह रही हूँ कि आपके सपोर्ट और लव के लिए मैं आपको बहुत दिल से थैंक यू कहना चाहती हूँ, क्योंकि आप लोग इतने अच्छे हैं, आपने मेरी इतनी हेल्प की। मैंने अपने YouTube चैनल में इतने सारे वीडियोस अपलोड किए हैं और उसमें आप सब ने उन वीडियोस को देखा है और लाइक किया है और बहुत से अच्छे अच्छे कमेंट्स भी दिए हैं, और मैं इस चीज़ के लिए बहुत खुश हूँ। और ये मेरा ड्रीम था 1000 सब्सक्राइबर्स तक पहुँचने का, और आप लोगों की वजह से वो ड्रीम आज मेरा पूरा हो चुका है, एंड आई एम थैंकिंग यू वंस अगेन। आपको एक और बार थैंक यू बोलना चाहती हूँ। थैंक्स अ लॉट फॉर दैट ऑल। सो दोस्तों, आज जो मैं ये जो वीडियो है इसमें मैंने ये बहुत स्पेशल है और जानबूझ के मैंने लंबा वीडियो बनाया है आप सबके लिए ताकि आप सब लोग देखें। और उसमें है मैंने दो सब्जेक्ट्स लिए हैं, मैथ्स और ग्रामर, और उनको एक्सप्लेन किए हैं दोनों में। और और मैथ्स में मैंने लीनियर इक्वेशन को डिस्क्राइब किया है वन वेरिएबल्स में, एज वेल एज मैंने उसमें रूल्स ऑफ एक्टिव पैसिव वॉइसेस इन ग्रामर एंड लीनियर इक्वेशंस एक्सप्लेनेशन, एंड आई डिस्क्राइब दैट इन मैथ्स। तो मैंने उनको डिस्क्राइब किया है और एक्सप्लेन किया है लीनियर इक्वेशंस वन वेरिएबल वाले, और ग्रामर में रूल्स ऑफ एक्टिव पैसिव सेंटेंसेस। And I hope you will definitely like my video. और मैं चाहती हूँ आप सब लोग उस वीडियो को भी लाइक करें, और अगर आपने इफ़ यू हैवंट सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल येट देन सब्सक्राइब नाउ। और अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो अभी करिए सब्सक्राइब, और डोंट फॉरगेट टू ring the bell for more videos notifications। सब्सक्राइब के बॉक्स के बराबर में जो बेल है उसे रिंग करिए अगर आपको मेरे हर वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशंस चाहिए तो। Once again, I'm thanking you all for that affection and love and support. Thanks a lot for that. आप लोगों को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। बाय, अल्लाह हाफिज। Welcome back to my channel. In today's session, we will be solving some grade 6 maths linear equations sums. let's start with question number 1. The question says what value of x is a solution to this equation? X minus 3 is equals to 10. So we will bring the minus 3 before 10 means here, and it will become plus 3, and then it will become plus 3. Then we will write like this: x, oh sorry, here, x is equals to 10 plus 3. So 10 plus 3 is equals to 13. So x is equals to 10 plus 3 is equals to 13. So the answer is 13. So our answer is 13, means the value of x is equals to 13. So now let's come to the next question. What the question says, what value of y is a solution to this equation? 3y is equals to 18. This is kind of different question, not the same like the before we were the first question number 1 we did. Like that's not the same one, but this is kind of different. It says 3y is equals to 18. So we will write like this: y, oh yeah, y is equals to 18 divided by 3. Means in these types of questions, we have to multiply the both digits with each other. Divide, I mean, sorry. We have to divide the both digits with each other, like 18 and the 3. So we have to divide both of these with each other. So so the answer is, oh, okay, so the y is equals to 18 divided by 3 is equals to 6. So the answer is 6. So the value of y is equals to 6. Let's come to the next question. What value of x is a solution to this equation? X minus 4 is equals to 12. So in this question we have to, yeah, like we have to take minus 4, and minus 4 will come before 12, and it will become plus 4. So 12, so yeah, x, sorry, I don't see, x is equals to 12 plus 12 plus 4. So 12 plus 4 is equals to 15. So the our answer is 15. That means the value of x is equals to 15. Now let's come to the next question. What value of y is a solution to this equation? 5y is equals to 30. So yeah, we did this question before here, this one, but the method is exactly same, but the question is different. So let's do that. Yeah, here 5y is equals to 30. So we have to divide 30 with 5. So we will write like this: y is equals to 30 divided by 5. So our answer is 6. 30 divided by 5 is equals to 6. So the value of y is equals to 6. Now let's come to the next question. What value of x is a solution to this equation? What value of x is a solution to this equation? So this question we have to bring -2 before 10. It will become +2. That means 10 plus 2, it will become +2. So we will write like this. Listen to this. I will write x equals to 10 plus 2. Oh, sorry, I wrote 3. Then x is equals to 10 plus 2 is equals to 12. 10 plus 2 is equals to 12. So we will write 12. So the answer is 12. That means the value of x is equals to 12. Now let's come to the next question. The next question says, what value of y is a solution to this equation? 3y minus 4 is equals to 11. Okay, I have to scroll down for that right here. So if you want to find out the value of y, you have to bring -4 before 11, and it will become +4 as there is minus. And what if there is plus and we are taking 4 before 11, so it will become -4, but there is minus, so it will become +4. So 11 plus 4. Okay, so we will write like this, like y is equals to 11 plus 4. There we have written y is equals to 11 plus 4 is equals to 15. So right here y is equals to 15, and then the next step is this is also a different question, but our answer comes 15. So now we have to divide this 15. We have to divide this 15 with this 3. So let's do it now. Y is equals to 15 divided by 3. So y is equals to 3, because 3 5s are 50. So I'm sorry, I stole 3. So answer is 55. Sorry, I was trying to say 5, but I said 55. I'm sorry. Well, the answer is 5. So the value of y is equals to 5. The next question. Okay, yeah. What value of x is a solution to this equation? 2x minus 5 is equals to 5. Okay, now how to do this question I am going to tell you now. So wait, yeah, I can take some other color. This here, yeah. So we will bring -5 before 5. It will become +5. This is exactly same like this question, but the question is a little bit different, and it will become +5. So 5 plus 5. So we will write like this: x is equals to 5 plus 5. Then the answer x is equals to 10. Then now we will multiply this 10 with this 2. We will multiply this 10 with this 2. I said multiply. We have to divide. Sorry. Yeah, we have to divide. Like 10 divided by 2. Okay, so now let's divide it. Like x is equals to 10 divided by 2. Now we will write like this: x is equals to 10 divided by 2 is equals to 5. So we will write here 5, and oh yeah, sorry, answer our answer is 5. That means the value of x is equals to 5. Okay, now let's do the next question. The question says, what value of y is a solution to this equation? 5 plus 3x is equals to 8. This is kind of different question, not the same like we did before. So we in this question we don't have to take the plus, and we will only take 5 and keep it. I mean, we don't have to take the plus this time. As we did in every question, we took the plus, like example, if there is 4 and plus 4, so we'll take plus 4 and keep it before 11. But in this question, that's not that. We don't have to. This plus is for 3, but we don't have to take the 3. Now we have to take the 5. So we will take 5 and keep it here. And if there is nothing in 5, then we will add minus. So 8 minus 5. So let's write like y is equals to 8 minus 5. Y is equals to 8 minus 5 is equals to 3, and we will divide 3 with this 3. Yeah, I'm telling you, like we will multiply this 3 with this 3. So 3, again I said multiply. I don't know why I kept saying multiply every time. Yeah, y 3 divided by 3. So 3 divided by 3 is equals to 1. Our answer is 1. Y, that means the value of y is equals to 1. Now let's do the next question. Let's scroll down to see the next question. Yeah, what value of x is a solution to this equation? 2x plus 3 is equals to 7. So we will take the plus 3 before 7 and it will become minus 3. So we will write like this. Yeah, x is equals to 7 minus 3. X is equals to 7 minus 3 is equals to 4. So we will write 4, and then we will write like this: x is equal to, now we have to multiply this 4 with this 2. So now let's do it. Like we will write like this: 4. I guess I just said multiply once again. Yeah, I'm sorry. I yeah, we will divide. We will divide 4 with that 2. This like here x. Oh my gosh. Yeah, 4 divided by 2 is equals to 2. So we will write like x is equals to 2. So the value of x is equals to 2, and the answer is equals to 2. Okay, now let's solve the next question. Okay, here, what value of y is a solution to this equation? X minus 1 is equals to 2. So here, like, we have to take minus 1 before 2 here, and we like minus 2 here, like we will like this. It's coming down behind. wait, I have to scroll down. Yeah, we will write like 2. Yeah, as we took -1 before 2, it became +1. So we will write like this: x is equals to 2 plus 1. We all know the answer. X is equals to 3. And then now our answer is, let me write a answer. Okay, now let's solve the next question. Okay, let's scroll down to see the next question. Yeah. Okay, the next question says, what value of x is a solution to this equation? X minus 1 is equals to 2. Yeah, this is the same question like this. X minus 1 equals to 2. Okay, let's change the number like x plus 1 is equals to 2. Okay, now we will write like, yeah, we will take plus 1 before 2. It will become -1. So 2 minus 1. Okay, like this. And x is equals to 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. So our answer is 1. That means the value of x is equals to 1. So now let's do the next question. What value of x is a solution to this equation? 5x is equals to 0. Okay, so this is also a different question. I mean, the different method is used in this question too. So we have to write like this. Yeah, wait. Yeah, x is equals to 5 divided by 0. X is equals to 5 divided by 0 is equals to 0. Our answer is 0. The value of x is equals to 0. So now let's do the next question. What value of y is a solution to this equation? 6y is equals to 42. So the different method is used in this question too. So first of all, we will write like y is equals to 42. No, yeah, 6. Okay, 42 divided by 6. Then we'll write like this: y is equals to 42 divided by 6 is equals to 7. So we'll write like this: 7. And the value of y is equals to 7. Wait. Okay, now let's scroll down to see the next question. Yeah, what value of x is a solution to this equation? 7x is equals to 0. Here we did the same question before, like it was like 5x is equals to 0, but with the same method is used to do this question too. We'll do like x is equals to, wait, x is equals to 7 divided by 0. X, I wrote z, right? Yeah, x is equals to 0. Our answer is 0. Okay, now and the value of x is equals to 0. Okay, now let's revise our questions. Yeah, question number 1 till the last. Okay, we are going to revise now. Okay, what value of x is a solution to this equation? X minus 3 is equals to 10. X is equals to 10 plus 3. X is equals to 13. So as we this is minus 3, we took the minus 3 before 10, it became plus 3. So then we wrote like x is equals to 10 plus 3. So 10 plus 3 is equals to 13. So I guess our this answer is correct. Okay, now let's come to the next question. Question number 2. What value of y is a solution to this equation? 3y is equals to 18. Y is equals to 18 divided by 3. So 18 divided by 3 is equals to 6. So the value of y is equal to 6 and our answer is 6. Okay, now question number 3. What value of x is a solution to this equation? X minus 4 is equals to 12. So in this question we took minus 4 before 12. It became plus 4. So we wrote like x is equals to 12 plus 4 and then 12 plus 4 is equals to 15. So the value of x is equals to 15 and our answer is also 15. Now the next question, question number 4. What value of y is a solution to this equation? 5y is equals to 30. Y is equals to 30 divided by 5. So we simply divided 30 and this 5. We divided both numbers with each other. So y is equal to 30 divided by 5. Y 30 divided by 5 is equals to 6. Our answer is 6 and the value of y is also 6. The question number 5. What value of x is a solution to this equation? X minus 2 is equals to 10. X is equals to 10 plus 2. So what we did in this question, we bring plus 2 before 10. It became minus 2. I'm sorry. I was trying to say minus 2, but I said plus 2. Sorry. Yeah, x plus 2 is equals to 10. We we brought plus 2 before minus 2 before 10, it became plus 2. Then we wrote x is equals to 10 plus 2 and then our answer is 12. So the value of x is equals to 12 and our answer is also 12. Okay, now let's come to the next question. Question number 6. What value of y is a solution to this equation? 3y is equal 3y minus 4 is equals to 11. We brought minus 4 before 11, it became plus 4. 11 plus 4. Then we wrote y is equals to 11 plus 4. 11 plus 4 is equals to 15. Then we wrote y is equals to 15. And after that, in the next line, we wrote y divided by 3. 15 divided by 3. So we divided 15, our answer 15 with this 3. So the answer comes 5. So that means the value of y is equals to 5. And our answer is also 5. Okay, now the next question. What value of x is a solution to this equation? 2x minus 5 is equals to 5. We brought minus 5 before 5, it became plus 5. Then we wrote in the next line, we wrote x is equals to 5 plus 5. Then 5 plus 5 is equals to 10. Then we wrote in the next line, we wrote x is equals to 10 divided by this 2. Our answer 10. Once we add 5 and 5 with each other, our answer comes 10. And then we we divided 10 with this 2. So the answer comes 5. So the value of x is equals to 5. The next question. What value of y is a solution to this equation? 5 plus 3x is equals to 8. So this question, as I taught you now, we will not take this plus because this plus belongs to 3 and we are not supposed to take that if we are solving this question. If the question is like same like this, or the digit is different, but uh, we have to find the value of any alphabet. I don't know why, but in this we will have to find the value of y. So we just took only 5 and it became only 5 before 8 and it became minus 5. So we wrote 8 minus 5. Then in the next line we wrote y is equals to 8 minus 5. Then we wrote y is equals to 3. 8 minus 5 is equals to 3. Then we wrote like y is equals to 3 divided by 3 because 8 minus 5 is equals to 3, and then we divided this 3 with this 3. So the answer comes 1. And the value of y is equals to 1. So now let's come to the next question. What value of x is the solution to this equation? 2x plus 3 is equals to 7. We got plus 3 before 7, it became minus 3. 7 minus 3. So we wrote x is equals to 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 is equals to 4. Then in the next line we wrote x is equals to 4. And then in the next line we wrote x is equals to 4 divided by 2. So the 4 we divided it with this 2 and our answer comes 2. I mean the value of x is equals to 2. Okay, the next question. What value of x is a solution to this equation? 2x plus 3 is equals to 7. Plus 3, we will take the plus 3 after before 7. It will become minus 3. 7 minus 3, and then in the next after leaving some in the next line we will write x is equals to 7 minus 3, and then 7 minus 3 is equals to 4. We will write x is equals to 4. Then x is equals to 4 divided by 2. We'll write this 4 with this 2 to find the value of x, and then we will write x is equals to 2. Once we divide 4 and 2 together, the answer is 2. So the value of x is 2. Okay, I explained one sum 2 times, right? Yeah, we revised one sum 2 times. Okay, the next question. Okay, there was no enough space in here, so I wrote it here. Okay, the next question says what value of y is a solution to this equation? X minus 1 is equals to 2. So we wrote like this. X x minus 1 is equals to 2. Then when I took minus 1 before 2, it became plus 1. Then after leaving some lines, I wrote x is equals to 12 plus 2 plus 1, and then after leaving some lines, I wrote x is equals to 3, the answer, and the value of x is equals to 3. Then the next question. Wait, it's moving. Yeah. What value of x is the solution to this equation? X plus 1 is equals to 2. I took plus 1 before 2 and it became minus 1. So I wrote, after leaving some space, I wrote x is equals to 2 minus 1. then 2 minus 1 is equal to 1, then I x is equals to 1. The answer is 1, and the value of x is the value of x is equals to 1. The next question now. What value of x is a solution to this equation? 5x is equals to 1. X is equals to 5 divided by 0. Oh yeah, I'm sorry. I said 1. Like I said 5x is equals to 1, but it's 0. Sorry. 5x is equals to 0. Then after leaving some space, I wrote 5 divided by 0. Then 5 divided by 0. We all know the answer, and the answer is 0 only. So the answer is 0, and the value of x is equals to 0. Okay, the next question now. What value of y is the solution to this equation? 6y is equals to 42. Y is equal to 42 divided by 6. And the answer is 7. Okay, now let's come to the next and last question. What value of x is the solution to this equation? 7x is equals to 0. Like the same question we did before, like 5x is equals to 0. But this is 7, and the same method is used in both questions, but the digits are different. So 7x is equals to 0. Then after leaving some lines and some space, I wrote x is equals to 7 divided by 0. As we all know that whenever we divide 0 with any number, the answer immediately comes 0. Now we will be doing some grammars, active, passive. Okay, so first question is in present continuous tense, and one more important thing in this active passive, which I'm going to taught you now. In this, we have to convert from active to passive, and the most important thing in active, verb with ing, and in passive, last by me. If there is a verb with ing, so that means it is in active, and if it is in if at last there is by me, like anything, like you can take any example, like in which by me is at the last, so that's passive. Okay, so now let's start. So first question is in present continuous tense. I am writing a letter. So writing, you can see writing is a write is a verb. Write is a verb, and ing is added to that verb, so that's why it is writing, like walking, and many more, like playing, eating, swimming, anything, but it is inactive. I am writing a letter. It's in active, and now let's convert into passive. In passive, we will write a letter is being written by me. If there is by me in last, so that's the reason it's in passive. Now it's okay here. It's in future tense, and now we will convert in future tense, and now, and let's read in what's in active. Okay, I shall write a letter. This is in active, and in passive. Now let's convert it into passive, but make sure by me is at the last. if you want to convert in passive, you must make sure that by me is at the last. Like a letter will be written by me. This is in passive. So in every active sentences I wrote active, and in every passive sentences I wrote passive. Okay, so now let's see the next one. It's in present perfect tense. Okay, now let's read the active sentence. I have written a letter. So I have written in a letter is in active, and the passive is a letter is being written by me. A letter is being written by me is in passive, because by me is coming in last of every sentence. Whatever is passive by me is coming at the last. Okay, let's see the next one. Let's scroll down. Okay, present indefinite tense. I write a letter. I write a letter is in active. That's the reason I wrote active at last of every sentence which is active. And now let's see the passive, and I will tell you what's passive. Okay, a letter is written by me. By me is coming last, so as it is coming on last, we wrote passive. So by me, a letter is written by me means I write a letter, and a letter, and to make it passive, like a letter is written by me. Okay, now the next question. I was writing a letter. I was writing a letter is in active, and in passive, a letter is being written by me. A letter is being written by me is in passive. Okay, now let's revise and see whether our answers we wrote are correct or no. Present continuous tense, I am writing a letter. Okay, in active, and then a letter is a letter is sorry a letter is being written by me is in passive. Okay, that's correct, I guess. Future tense, I shall write a letter. A letter is will be written by me is in passive. Okay, I guess. Okay, sorry. Yeah, present perfect tense, I have written a letter is in active. A letter is being written by me is passive. Present indefinite tense, I write a letter is an active. A letter is written by me is passive. Okay, I guess that's also correct. But I was writing a letter, active. A letter was written by me is also passive. Yeah, passive. Yeah. Okay, now let's get now I will learn some extra examples. Okay, let's write some extra examples. Okay, I really wanna I really wanna get some awesome fonts. Okay, my favorite is like this one. So let's start writing something. Yeah, that's okay. Okay, now let's write. Okay, extra examples. Okay, let's write. Um, Let me think what shall I write as a extra examples. Yeah, converting active to passive. Yeah, exactly. Okay, like something. If you know any types of example, you can tell me in the comments section down below. Till then, I'm thinking what shall I write. Oh yeah, I got an example. Okay, let me write. Okay. Um, yeah. Malik is watering. plants. Stupid. Plants. Yeah, sorry, wait, something's missing. Malik watered. The plants. Okay, okay, students, this is inactive. Now let's make it passive. What about the plants were hmm I got it. Watered. The plants were watered by Malik. So this is passive. Okay, sorry. Okay, this is passive. Okay, let's get some more examples. Okay, I got another example. Okay. Um. Let me think. Well, okay, then I will leave some space and write another example. Yeah, I got one. They are dealing. Yeah, wait. For active, I choose the black color. Like that can. Okay, that's so easy. Then my another example. They are dealing with the problem. So my active my another example is they are dealing with the problem. So this is an oh yeah. Okay, this is an active. Now let's make it in passive. Okay, for passive, I don't want the black color because it's like so much. Yeah, wait, remove this for that. Can't. Yeah, okay, that's it. Wait, okay, done. Okay, now let's write here. Like scroll some down. Yeah, they are dealing with the problem. If you know the answer, I mean, if you know the passive of this, so you can tell me in the comments. Okay, anyways, well, I'm going to write the answer. The problem is being dealt. Dealt? Wait, I guess the spelling is deal. Yeah. Okay, let me correct the spelling. Uh, dealt. Yeah, I want to write dealt. Hey, dealt. Dealt. Um, I have a lot of spelling mistakes. Dealt. Okay, just remove the voice from here. Yeah, my spelling. Dealt by them. So, yeah, the previous one which I just taught you before this, there was a little spelling, I mean a little mistake. So let me correct it now. Remember when I said in passive there's by me at the last, then it's passive, but that's not true. There can be anything by Malik, like as I wrote here, by Malik, by them, by me, by she, by her. I mean, and like many more, any name, anything. But like by Gardner, like um yeah, anything, but not, that's not only the rule. And in passive, we if it the sentence is passive when only there is by me at the last, but that's not true. Okay, well, let's get more examples. I don't know, I have to think for more examples. Oh my god, I just I just got I just got an idea. I can write. Yeah, I know what example I can write in here. Wait, yeah, I just didn't open like this. Okay. The postman, the postman delivered a letter. Okay, let's write. That's a nice deli. Yeah, oh my god. Okay, yeah, I got one. Deli, delivered a letter. Okay, so this is in active. Okay, now let's make it passive. Okay, well, to make it passive, we have to write like this. A letter. I forgot to add e. A letter is delivered by by by. Hmm. Do we have to write by the postman or by postman? If you know the answer, so please tell me in the comments. Okay, so well, let's continue writing by the postman. Okay, okay, so I made it in passive, and this is the passive. Oh yeah, wait, I forgot to add in like this passive. Oh my. Yeah, so these are some extra examples, and wait, I better add some like this, but I need to change like this, or the like this, and the same in here like this. Wait, I have an idea. I'm gonna keep it like this, and then, oh my gosh. Okay, what about this? What about this? Okay, that's perfect, I guess. But I guess I should take this one. This is awesome. Okay, well, in every sentence I need this, as it looks much better. I don't need anything else to do. Okay, here we did it. And these are some extra and some really easy examples. So easy. So easy, okay? Like Malik watered the plants. This is an active. Okay, while making it passive, I wrote like this. The plants were watered by Malik. So this is passive. Wait, yeah, I did a mistake, I guess. Yeah, I didn't just give space bar before this, like this. Yeah, that's awesome. Okay. And the plants were watered by Malik. The next, the words, the dark, these words which are dark in dark black color, these are actives here. This is active, and the light and these ones are passive. Okay, so I better take more examples because yeah, they're so interesting. Okay, let's take some more examples. Maybe that's maybe better, right? Oh my god. Okay. Okay, let's take some more examples. Oh yeah, I remember one. We can write that. The, oh my god. Wait, I have to like take something underline the normal one. The two like the tourists are feeding the ducks, right? And now we can make it in active, as this is active only. And then now let's make it in passive. Maybe seems easy, yeah. Okay, let's make it in passive. The ducks, they said first we made it is in active. Now let's make it in passive. Okay, the ducks are being fed by the tourists. Yeah, I guess spelling mistake. I wrote two TOUSISTS like this. I forgot to add R. Sorry. Tourists. So this is a very simple one. Like this is passive. Okay, we made it in passive. Okay, let's get some a more extra example. This is so fun, right? That's so fun. Yeah, I still remember another example. You know what? It is some. Oh wait, yeah, I forgot to add that effect in this, right? Yeah, someone stole the, their car. So, students, this is in active. So we will add active here, and now let's make it in passive. I hope you all know the passive of this sentence, right? Well, I know. Let me write. Their car was stolen by someone, and like stolen, and like, okay, let me write here, and then like passive, and okay, so better we revise once again. I hope there are no mistakes. So yes, let's revise now. Malik watered the plants is inactive. The plants were watered by Malik. Yeah, we can keep some space like this and then remove this one so that it seems like these all questions are some like different. And here like this, and just remove. Oh, it's not right. Why should I just remove this like this? Yeah, they're like this. So I hope I can keep. Oh, why is it happening with me? Like first time today, but I don't even want to like put this. Okay, here. Yeah, perfect. Okay, perfect. Okay, like okay, I just better remove this and keep here space. Then remove this now, and some like this same. Okay, okay, passive. Okay, perfect. And now I'll just give back. Why? I keep space like this and keep putting enters. Yeah, better I remove this one second. Okay, okay, this is active, and now keep some space and write there. Wait, just cross there like this. Their car was stolen by someone, and like this is passive, and this is passive. Okay, now give some space in here, and then I can simply give some like this, and this perfect. Okay, that's looking awesome. Okay, well, now let's revise instead of wasting some time in that talk. Okay. Malik watered the plant is inactive. Okay. The plant's verb watered by Malik is in passive. Okay. Number two, they are dealing with the problem. This is an active and the problem is being dealt by them is in passive. Okay. Then the postman delivered a letter is an active. A letter is delivered by the postman is in passive. The tourists are feeding the ducks is in active. The ducks are being fed by the tourists is in passive. Someone stole their car is in active. Their car was stolen by someone is in passive. I hope you all understood what I have taught you today and see you in my next video. Goodbye.